I am serving you a look of a lady pirate and her inner saboteur, the Merkraken, a hybrid of a mermaid and a Kraken. So here are the products that I use for this look. If you want to know how I achieve it, please keep on watching. First, I am prepping my face using the H2O Fresh Dewy Primer. Then I will be filling in my brows using the darker shade of the Browlyst Brow Gel. And yeah, that was sad. I broke my nail. I will be playing with the 24-set eyeshadow palette in Melrose Ave. I wanted to achieve a dark smoky eye as this is how I know a pirate looks like. Using the Holy Addiction Pro Define Eyeliner in the shade Clean White, I will be outlining the details of the teeth, then filling it with Pure White and Bump Fusion from the Freedom Lip Creator palette. I am covering my brows using a glue stick and setting it with Luxe Pro Banana Powder, then covering it with the orange shade of the Quad Spectrum Color Correcting Palette and a concealer. Going back to the Melrose Ave palette, I am going to play again with some colors to my lid and will be using a concealer to cut crease, and yeah. Using the shades Pure Blue, Pure Black, and Pure White, I'm creating some strokes for the eyebrow. Then I mix my HD Perfection Skin Sealer Foundation in the shade Air Fresh Vanilla and the shade Real You in Freedom Palette to achieve this kind of pink shade and putting it to the rest of my face. Going back to the shimmers in Melrose Ave, I'm scattering it in my forehead. I am using the Holy Addiction liner again to create pattern for my scales and the Pure Black and Pure White of Freedom palette to make the scales look realistic. I'm sorry, the camera died, but life goes on. So I used the shades Pure Red, Inner Peace, Pure Black to fill in colors in between teeth and the Holy Addiction liner to draw the tentacles. Now I'm contouring my nose using the Melrose palette. Using the shades Inner Peace and Pure Blue, I am filling in the tentacles of the Kraken or octopus, then blending it together, and the shades Summer Hat and Pure Black for the suction cups. Then, using the same mixture of foundation and Real You from Freedom palette, I am filling in the rest of my chest, neck, and shoulder, and the shade Pure Black to create some details in my neck. Then, for the other side, I am using the same foundation for the rest of my face and setting it with banana powder to serve you a tanned skin. Then I will go back to the Melrose palette to finish my under eye eyeshadow. To contour my face, I am using the Indense Mineral Compact Powder in the shade Coffee and Lovestruck blusher and bronzer in the shade Babe to give me that summer glow a pirates always have. For that summer glow, I am using the You Glow Girl Bake Highlighter in the shade Twilight, and to intensify the glow, I am setting my face with Spray Set Go setting spray. Then I use the shade Pure Red for my lips from the Freedom palette. Using the shades Vamp Fusion, Mauve Me, Dusty Rose, and Pure Black, I am creating the vest and off-shoulder top of the Lady Pirate. I applied the lashes off camera using the JCat Eyelash glue and setting it to place with long-lived Lash waterproof mascara. I applied the Holographic 3D eye topper in the shade Azul to my tear duct and my scales. Then I am creating a cross tattoo similar to Jack Sparrow using the Rock and Glitz eyeliner. So there you have it, Lady Pirate and her inner saboteur, the Merkraken.